So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to use Binance Wallet Invest. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in our Binance, you'll have to sign up first. So to do that, so you can join Binance now by signing up with the link provided in the description below. So you can claim up to 200 USDT limited time trading fee credit reward. So there you go guys, by signing up here in our Binance, you'll get a free credit reward and you can start with that here in Binance. So you can go with our auto invest feature. So here I'll show you guys how to auto invest. So here I will show you. So all you have to do from there is you have to be verified and you must have at least basic knowledge, or actually I'll teach you how to do it by just doing it like very lightly and not extensively, so that even your 98 mother, grand old mother can do it. So here I'll show you how to do it. So here, from here, you will see, you'll just have to go to the top left corner, go to your services, more services, and then just scroll down and you'll find here in earn auto invest. So there you go guys, you have your auto invest. So here, what is auto invest? There's a video about it too. So what is auto invest and how to use it? So regarding to them in Binance, it says here auto invest allows you to automate crypto investments and grow your crypto holdings. So it is a dollar cost average, or most commonly known in the crypto world as DCA. It's an investment strategy. You can choose the cryptocurrency you also want to do, purchasing on a daily basis, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. So your purchase BNB will be automatically deposited into BNB Vault, and the other crypto purchase will be deposited to your simple earn flexible product account. So right here, you will see that you can create your own auto investment. So here you can see, click to see what's recommended and other things like that. So let's check out the recommended for you. So you have to first choose your coin right here. So the hottest coins that you can see are in the top corner right here, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Pendle, and USDT, Sol, XRP, Matic, TRX, and Doge. So let's check the recommended for you. So the recommended for you has seen the transactions for the last 30 days, so it knows where it's the top 10 equal weighted index will be. So as you can see here, you have the big three, the BTC, ATH Duo, the top 10 auto invest, and other tokens like that. So you see here that 169,048 has invested in the last 30 days of doing so. So let's just go with that right now. So here, there's also the auto investment amount. So you can choose an asset that you want. So let's go with USDT for now. So yeah, I don't have any available assets in my account right now. So this is just for an example. So as you can see here, let's go 100 USDT. So you can also choose if it's a one-time. So basically, one-time right here is a one-time transaction of the selected coins, and the purchase assets can be found in the auto invest wallet. So the panel will be immediately purchased once the submission is completed. So here is a recurring cycle, the third option. So if you want to purchase daily or per 12 hours, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So if you want to do weekly, just do weekly, and there you go. To auto invest for you. So let's do daily. So in your local time, which is 1700, which is 3 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock p.m. locally. So there, you just go next, and then you'll have your payment order, create this plan. So the subscription amount will be deducted from the payment selected. So the spot wallet, as you can see here, the USDT is default. So the simple earn wallet USDT is also selected too. So your plan summary will be shown here as usual. So the first auto invest date will be at 9:28 at 5 p.m. So this will be a recurring cycle at 5 p.m. daily, and the amount per period will be 100 USDT, the fee of 0.2% USDT. So the allocation will be right here, stated as BTC at 10%, Ethereum at 10%, BNB at 10%, XRP at 10%, ADA at 10%, Sol at 10%, TRX at 10%, DOT 10%, Matic 10%, and Litecoin at 10%. So you'll have to confirm. And then here, when creating a plan, you will be purchasing cryptocurrencies, and you'll have to do this checkbox right here, and you have to read it. And there you go. Then just confirm. So the plan was scheduled successfully, and the create date is there, and the subscription amount is also there, and the index name, and you can go back to your auto invest. So you can actually go to your auto invest and see if how much you can do in real time, in real life situations. So by going to Chrome and dcabtc.com, as you can see right here. So the DCA settings, we're gonna simulate it right here. You can choose from daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks, or monthly. So let's try to do what we have did a while ago. So weekly at $100. So there you go. So accumulate this for just let's say 6 months. So let's say starting 6 months ago too. So as you can see here, there's a graph option. So there's a total invested, and there's also a portfolio value over time. So you can see here that if you have invested daily from time to time from 6 months ago and accumulate for like 2 years or something, you can see that I have almost a profit of total invested is 2,700, and 2,700 in total value. There's a percent change of nothing, so you might want to change that up. So let's see right here. So if you started a year ago and you accumulate this for 2 years, you have a 7.46% change right here. As you can see, you'll see the total investment that you have done, and there you go. So let's try another one. So guys, I want you to be careful in what you're investing. So if you are trying to invest in a coin, you must be wise in choosing that coin, because here in Binance, not all coins are reputable, and there's a historical ROI, as you can see right here. So let's try to look on it. So here in the Pendle, there's auto invest historical ROI. In the span of 3 years, there has been pretty big dips, and here in 7 days, as you can see, it has been recurring and hasn't been doing good. So we want to look at BTC right here. There's 112% in ROI, which is pretty good. So there's 3 months, 3 days, 3 months, 7 days, 6 months, and you can see there's a big dramatic changes, which can help you in your auto investment. So here we're going to change up our DCA settings. So if you plan to do $5, you want to do it daily. So there you go. And you want to start 2 years ago, and there you go. Here you can total invested too. So as you can see, your total investment through the years, as you can see, total $5, and you have technically lost 5.80% in change right here. So you can just really choose your coin, guys, since it's pretty crucial on doing so. If you don't choose the right coin, as you can see here in our simulations, that maybe if you started 5 years ago, you'll see that it's not doing so well. So if you accumulate for 5 years, probably here you go, your Bitcoin values are at $16,800, and you will see a percent change of 84.95%, and your total investment was only 9,130. And as you can see here, that you have a profit of at least $9,000 too. So you have doubled your ROI in just doing so, using our auto trading here, or auto invest in our Binance. So there's also index linked here. So the Binance CMC cryptocurrency top 10 equal weighted index, it's beginner friendly, approximately 80% of the total market cap. It's equally weighted, as I have mentioned again. So it's monthly rebalancing, so you can also subscribe to this. So there's more details if you want to know. So like monthly rebalancing, the index link plans rebalance on monthly basis on the following of the index rebalancing cycle to provide a better reflection on the recent market movements. So basically that's it, guys.